Want to be a part in our free BB giveaway? All you have to do is follow Simple Airsoft on Instagram, who is graciously providing the BBs. Subscribe to my channel, turn notifications on, like the video, and comment what gun you would be using these BBs in. There will be 2 winners who will each win a 2,700 count bottle of Elite Force .28 gram BBs at the end of every month. With that being said, thank you for your support, good luck, and into the video.
Go for it if you do. 1, 2, 3. Where are they? They're right there. Hey. Hey, no blind fire, no blind fire, no blind fire. Dude, I don't... think they're... Are they allowed to be in here? I don't think... Hey, oh my God! They're all right there. Okay, wait. Oh shit! Hit! Oh! Dude! Wait, it was 1 respawn, right? Wait, it was 1 respawn, right? What? Okay.
You're about to give him a free walkout. Fuck that kill, man.
Like I said before, nobody is perfect, and he was probably just having a bad day. There was a lot of issues with no hit calling that day, so that was probably a main reason. All the refs here just try to make for the best time possible for everybody, and that's probably just how he handled that specific situation. This was just for entertainment, and like I said before, please do not associate this one event with all of Miami Airsoft. However, with that being said, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, remember to leave a like and a sub as always, and I am Shoot to Miss, and I will see you next time.